When the Android process Acore has stopped, error occurs. Your device may freeze or crash, disrupting key functions like contacts, calls, and texts. But don't worry, there are simple fixes to restore your phone's functionality. Let's dive in. Part 1. What causes? Unfortunately, the process.com Android phone has stopped. Cache, corruption, updates, bugs, apps, incompatibility, SIM damage, storage full, malware, infection, instability, network issues, data corruption. Part 2. How to fix Android process Acore has stopped in 9 ways. Way 1. Restart your Android device. Way 2. Reset app preference. Way 3. Update pending apps. Way 4. Clear app data and cache. Way 5. Re-add your Google account. Way 6. Clear cache partition. Way 7. Disable Facebook. Way 8. Update Android OS. Way 9. Factory reset your phone. Part 3. Fix Android process Acore has stopped via dedicated tool. The Android process Acore has stopped, error signals a system issue. If updates and troubleshooting don't help, try using Android Repair to fix errors while protecting your privacy. Launch the software, go to System Repair, connect your device via USB, and select Android Repair. Review the issues listed and click Start. Next, in the following window, input the details of your device and click Next to advance to the next screen. Enter 00000 in the specified field and select Confirm to continue. To enter download mode, power off your phone, press Home, Power, and Volume down for 10 seconds. Release buttons and press Volume up. For devices lacking a home button, power off your phone. Then press the Bixby, Power, and Volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds before releasing them. Finally, press the Volume up button to enter download mode. Once your device is in download mode, click Next to download the appropriate firmware for your phone. After the download is complete, the tool will automatically initiate the process to resolve the Android process Acore has stopped error.